Hello all my dear students. Now in this video I am going to explain you about concept of multiplication of fractions. Okay, how we can multiply fraction by a whole number, fraction by fraction, this we will learn. Okay, so while multiplying, what you have to remember that you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay, it means the product of fraction is equals to numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, now we have a part like if in question 2 into 1 by 5 is given, it means a fraction we are going to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Okay, so what we will do, we will multiply this numerator by numerator. Nothing is there, this means that 1 is there. Okay, if nothing is there in the denominator, this means that 1 is there. Okay, so 2 into 1 by 5 is given, we will multiply numerator by numerator, it means 2 into 1, and denominator into denominator, nothing is there, so we can write here 1, or if you will not write then also okay. Okay, so 1 into 5, 2 ones are 2, 1 fives are 5. Okay, now we can see that if the numbers, or you can say numerator and denominator, are reducible or we can cut, then we can cut them. Okay, so you can see that 5 is a prime number, okay, and 2 is also a prime number, and both are not reducible. Okay, so this is our answer. Now next we have 20 into 4 by 5. Okay, 20 into 4 by 5, again what we will do, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay, so 20 into 4 upon, nothing is there, so 1 into 5 is 5 only, we can write that directly. Now 20 into 4 is what, 80 by 5. Okay, so 20 into 4 is 80 and 5 we can write as it is. Students, now you can reduce it. Okay, you can see that whether this 80 is divisible by 5 or not, and all we know that if last digit is 0, then we can divide it by 5. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. What is remaining now? 8 minus 5 is what? 3. It means here 30, and all we know that 5 6 are 30. Okay, so what we are getting here, 16. So 16 is the answer. Now we have another type of question, that is 1 by 2 of 24 by 5. Students, I told you in class 6 that of means what, we have some words in mathematics whose meanings are different. Okay, so 1 by 2 of means what, multiply. Okay, so I am writing here multiplication sign, of means multiply. Again, by the rule of multiplication, all we know that numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, so 1 into 24 upon 2 into 5. Here you can do one thing, that either you can multiply them and then you can reduce, or you can cut here directly. If you see that numbers are reducible, then you can reduce here only. Okay, like we can cut it as 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 twos are 4. Now here is 1 1, here is 12, and here is 5. Now they are not reducible, so we can write here 1 into 12 is 12 and 1 into 5 is 5, and this is our answer. Okay, now we have D part. Here you can see that mixed fraction is given. Okay, all we know about mixed fraction, I explained you about mixed fraction also, how to solve them. What we have to do, we have to multiply denominator by the whole number. Okay, and whatever will be the answer, we will add it by numerator. So 5 into 3, whatever will be the answer, we will add it to numerator. Okay, and denominator as it is we can write into 4 by 7 as it is I am writing here. Okay, now 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is there into 4 by 7. Okay, and 15 plus 2 is what? 17 upon 5, 4 by 7. Okay, now all we know that what we have to do, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. We can check whether any numbers are reducible. If so, then we can reduce them. So 17 into 4 is what? 68. Okay, 17 into 4 is 68 and 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. Okay, so 68 by 35 is your answer. We have this E part in this question. You can see that 2 by 3 into blank is there equals to 10 by 30. So 2 by 3 into blank, in this blank one fraction we have to fill. Okay, so we have to think what we can write here in this blank to get this 10. All we know that 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10, so I can write here 5. And what can I multiply by this 3 to get 30? So 3 10s are 30, all we know, so I can write here 3 into 10. 3 10s are 30. Okay, so in blank 5 by 10 must be there to get 10 by 30. We can reduce it as 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, here we can reduce it as 10 1s are 10 and 10 3s are 30, but no mean of reducing it, we can write it directly. Okay, so this is your answer. 5 by 10 is the answer.